Hello folks, today we are doing a inspection here on a foundation that they was somebody had one of these foundation companies tried to sell them that said their house was settling, and this is some of what we're showing here, some of the leaks and stuff here, but this had nothing to do with the settling. But I wanted to share with you this right here. This is where they're saying that it's the problem, and let me get in here. I'm getting behind my own shadow here so you can see better. But look right here, what they've done is they put this drain tile in here for a ground system, a water draining system, but they didn't put enough concrete on it. So what happened is that they got a little bit of water up underneath here. It heaved up this concrete, which was never deep enough in the first place. This drain tile that you see right here, it's supposed to be sitting on top of the footing, and it's not. And so what we have here is that's what's lifted it up with a little tiny bit. I mean, this concrete can't be but maybe a ½ inch thick. So anyway, what the company that did the work had ripped them off, and now the company's coming back saying the house is settling. So this is what you want to watch out for these kind of people. Give us a call, Galloway Building Services. Make sure you get what your job. Make sure your job is done right. You're getting what you paid for. You're not getting ripped off. These folks, sadly, have gotten all of the above done to them. Anyway, thank you very much, and thank you. And hey, if you like our videos, hit like and subscribe. Really helps. And you can share with your friends. And that way they can also they'll be a lot wiser too, and it'll look like you know what you're talking about because you do. Thank you folks. Have a great day.